Unlock the secrets to crafting an electrifying progressive track entirely from the art of sampling. First, let's dive into building the foundation. The rhythm. We'll start by scouting for the perfect drum samples. Think crisp hi-hats, punchy kicks, and snappy snares. Browse through royalty-free sample libraries, or even chop up obscure vinyl records. The key is to find sounds that have a natural groove and attack, characteristic of progressive house. Once you've got your core drum elements, it's time to get creative. Pitch shift and time stretch your samples to create unique percussive loops. Experiment with reversing them, adding subtle flanger effects, or even granular synthesis to transform a simple clap into a mesmerizing rhythmic texture. The goal here is to make these samples sound distinctly your own, rather than just generic loops. Now, for the melodic heart of progressive music. Pads and atmospheres. Search for lush, evolving pads, dreamy arpeggios, and ethereal vocal chops. Don't be afraid to layer multiple pad samples, blending their frequencies and textures. EQ is your best friend here, carving out space for each layer to breathe and intertwine seamlessly. Arrangement is where the magic truly unfolds. We'll start with a minimal intro, gradually introducing elements. Use automation on volume, filter cutoff, and reverb decay to build tension. Then, create impactful drops by unleashing your most powerful sampled synth leads and bass lines, supported by your dynamic drum patterns. Remember to maintain that forward momentum that defines progressive music. Finally, let's polish add spatial effects like delays and reverbs to create depth and width. Carefully apply final EQ to ensure everything sits well in the mix. The essence of a great progressive track lies in its journey, its ability to take the listener through a sonic landscape where every sample is a building block of this enthralling experience. So happy sampling, and let the progression begin.